Welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the UPPSC Recruitment 2020. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. The notification is received from Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission has released a recruitment notification for the post of Horticulture Officer, Senior Technical Assistant and other posts. Candidate will be selected through Combined State Agricultural Service Examination 2020. Date of commencement of online application is 29/12/2020. Last date for receipt of examination fee online in the bank is 25/1/2021. Last date for online submission of application is 29/1/2021. Special notice: online application will be accepted only when prescribed fee is deposited in the bank. That means go to the official website UPPSC, read this recruitment notification. If you are eligible, then click apply online. Fill your details and pay the prescribed fees. For the unreserved, economically weaker section and other backward classes, examination fee is 125. 65 rupees for SC and ST candidates. The application fee is 25 for handicapped. Then fill your application details and pay the prescribed fee. Finally, submit the application form. If the candidate does not click the submit button, the online application process shall not be completed. Number of vacancies is presently the number of vacancies is 564, which may be increase or decrease depending upon the recruitments. Now we have to see the pay scale. The posts having the pay scale of 9,300 to 34,800. They also give the reservation. Conditions of eligibility: eligibility in case of emergency commission or short service commission officers. Educational qualification is the candidates must pass as prescribed qualification up to the last date for receipt of online application. For the post of Group A, the examination through written examination and interview. BSc Agriculture or BSc Horticulture degree from a recognized university or institute is a qualification of District Horticulture Officer Group 2 in Grade 1. BSc Chemistry as a subject from a recognized university or institute, or BSc Agriculture from a recognized university or institute, followed by 2 years postgraduate associate course in Fruit and Vegetables Technology from Government Food Processing and Technology Institute, Lucknow, or any other recognized institute, or else MSc Food Technology or MSc Food Preservation or MSc Food Science from a recognized university or institute is a qualification of Principal Government Food Science Training Center and Food Processing Officer Group 2. For the post of Group B, selection process is only through written examination. Postgraduate degree in agronomy from recognized university or institution must be a graduate in agriculture is a qualification of Senior Technical Assistant Group A Agronomy Branch. PG in Agrobotany or Plant Reproduction with Science of Origin, or PG in Botany with especially in Genetics or Plant Reproduction must be graduate in Agriculture is a qualification of Senior Technical Assistant Group A Botany Branch. PG degree in Entomology or Plant Pathology from a recognized university or institution, or MSc Plant Science with specialization in Entomology or Plant Pathology must be a degree in Agriculture is a qualification of Senior Technical Assistant Group A Plant Production. Postgraduate degree in Agriculture, Chemistry, Soil Science, Soil Conservation from a recognized university or institution must be a graduate in Agriculture is a qualification of Senior Technical Assistant Group A Chemistry Branch. PG degree in the field relevant with agriculture from a recognized university or institution must be a graduate in Agriculture is a qualification of Senior Technical Assistant Group A in the branch of development. Now we have to see the age limit for the post. Candidates must have attained the age of 21 years and must not have crossed the age of 40 years on July 1, 2020. That is, they must have not been born earlier than 2nd July. They also give the relaxation in upper age limit. Some information about combined state agriculture services that is written examination and interview. Only such candidates will be admitted to the main examination who are declared successful in the prelims examination, for which the successful candidates will have to fill up another application form according to instruction of the commission. Important instruction for candidates is, as per decision of the UPPSC, a candidate will be liable to be debarred from this examination and all other future examination and selections up to a maximum period of 5 years of furnishing any wrong information in her application form which cannot substantiated by relevant documents or for any other malpractice. A lot of information are given in the notification and also they are give the general instructions. Last date for receipt of applications is online application process must be completed before last date of form submission according to advertisement, after which the web link is disabled. Syllabus for general studies or general science, history of India, Indian national movement and etc. Syllabus for group A is given in the notification. The link of the PDF is in the description box. Read this notification carefully and apply for the examination if you are eligible. Do follow our Exams Daily YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thank you.